Hi guys, I'm Louisa from T3 and today I'm going to show you how to create a straight, sleek blow dry at home using the new T3 Cura Luxe. This hairdryer is perfect for styling at home, especially if you have particularly frizzy hair. It's got Tourmaline technologies inside that are going to help sleek down the hair cuticle and make sure your style lasts for days. I'm also going to be using one of our round brushes. This is the medium size of the three that we do. The reason I'm using the medium is because our model has quite long hair, but also we don't need any curl from a particularly small brush, so this one is perfect. Our brushes are also infused with Tourmaline, which helps add to the benefits of the dryer. When you're doing it at home, you're going to take a medium-sized section of hair, about this big, and you are going to take your round brush. And one thing that's quite important is to make sure that your brush is always moving. Okay. So that no one section of hair is getting too much heat. This is also going to minimise any damage. So if you take your dryer that's on a medium-high heat setting, and you're going to run the brush and the dryer through at the same time. This is going to help sleek the hair out and keep it nice and straight.